Good morning, students. Today our topic is addition and subtraction of capacity. We have already discussed about what is capacity and what are units of capacity. Today we will learn addition and subtraction of capacity. Let us revise units of capacity. We measure capacity in liter and milliliter. Liter are used for measuring large containers and milliliter is used for measuring smaller containers. Now we will add units of capacity. Let us discuss with the help of some example. Suppose our first question is add the following: 6 liter, 390 milliliter and 3 liter 210 milliliter. These are two numbers given to us and we want to add these two numbers. For adding, we will first write both the units and then we'll write the numbers according to their units as we have done in measurement of weight. So let us start. First of all, we will write here units liter and milliliter. Okay. Now we will write two numbers. First number was 6 liter and 390 milliliter. So 6 liter. So 6 will come at liter place and 390 milliliter. So 390 will come here below milliliter. Okay. Now second number was 3 liter, means 3 will come below liter and 210 milliliter, means we will write 210 like this. So we will write numbers according to their places. Okay, liter will come below liter and milliliter will come below milliliter. Now put a sign of plus here. Now start doing addition. You know we always done addition from right side. So 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 1, 10. So here 0 and 1 carry here. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Now milliliter place is complete. Now move to liter place. 6 plus 3, 9. So here 9 liter, 600 milliliter. So our addition is complete. After addition, write units. Okay. Now let us discuss another example. Suppose we want to add 9 liter, 56 milliliter and 3 liter 720 milliliter. Again in the same way, first of all write units liter and milliliter. Now write the numbers according to their units. Here first number is 9 liter and 560 milliliter, means 9 will come here and 560 milliliter. Now write second number 3 liter 720 milliliter. So here 3 liter and here 720 milliliter. Now put a sign of plus here. Now we will start doing addition from right side. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, 7 plus 5. How much? Count on your fingers. 7 plus 5. Fast. 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, 2. Now, 1 will add to next place, that is liter place. Okay, here is 12. So, we will write here 2 and 1 will shift to next place. Now, next place is liter. So, we will shift 1 to liter place. Okay, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 3. So here 3 liter and 280 milliliter. Okay. So in this way we can do addition of capacity. Okay. Now we will do some subtraction of capacity. Now we will subtract two numbers. Okay. For example, we want to subtract 7 liter 650 milliliter and 3 liter 210 milliliter. Okay, we want to subtract this number and this number. Now again in the same way, first of all we will write units, liter and milliliters, and then we will write numbers according to their units, and then first of all we will find which is bigger number. Okay, let us start. Our question is 12 liter 650 milliliter and 3 liter 210 milliliter. Okay, first of all write units, liter and milliliter. Okay, now we have to write both numbers one by one, but for subtraction we have to find which is bigger. For comparison we will compare the bigger unit, liter and milliliter. Liter is bigger unit, so we will compare liter place of both the numbers. In liter place here is 12 and here is 3, so 12 is bigger than 3, so it means this number is bigger. Okay, so first of all write bigger number according to its units, 12 liter and 650 milliliter. So here we will write 650. Now second number is 3 liter, so here 3 and 210 milliliter, so here 210, put a sign of minus. Now this is 2 digit, this is 1 digit, you can put a 0 here. Okay, now start doing subtraction from right side. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, now milliliter place is complete. Move to liter place. Now 2 minus 3 is not possible because 3 is greater than 2. So we have to take borrow from next place and it will become 12 and it will become 0. Okay, so 12 minus 3, here 9. So our answer is 9 liter 440 milliliter. Okay, now let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to subtract 90 liter 450 milliliter and 10 liter 300 milliliter. Okay, again in the same way, first of all we will write unit here, liter and milliliter. Now find out which is bigger number, compare liter place. Here is 90 liter and here is 10 liter. So which is bigger? First number is bigger. So we will write first number 90 liter. So here 90 and 450 milliliter. So here 450. Now second number is 10 liter and 300 milliliter. Put a sign of minus here. Now start doing subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, 150 milliliter. Now move to liter place. 0 minus 0, 9 minus 1, 8. So 80 liter 150 milliliter. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose question is subtract 3 liter 132 milliliter from 9 liter and 300 milliliter. Now in this question you can see there are two numbers, 3 liter 132 milliliter and 9 liter 300 milliliter. So again first of all we will write units, liter and milliliter. Now we have to find out which is bigger one. Okay, you can see here this is number from liter place, here is 3 liter and here is 9 liter. So this number is bigger because its liter place is bigger. 9 is greater than 3. So you can see the number always after from is bigger. Okay, so first of all we will write always the number which is given after from. So here is 9 liter, means I will write here 9, and here 300 milliliter, so I will write here 300. Okay, now second number is 3 liter and 132 milliliter. Put a sign of minus here. Start doing subtraction. 10 minus 2, 0 minus 2 not possible. Take borrow from here and it will become 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Now move to next place. 9. 9 minus 3, 6. Okay. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1 here 2. Okay. But we have take borrow from this place also because here is 0 and 0, 3 is bigger than 0. So we have take borrow from this place also. So here it become 19 and 19 minus 3 here. Okay. So it will become 1 here. You will write 1 here. Okay. So 168 milliliter. Now move to next place. Milliliter place is complete. 9 minus 3, 6. So here 6. So answer is 6 liter 168 milliliter. Okay.